So guys, kagigising ko lang and I'm going to prepare my kids but they are still sleeping. Look. Anong oras na? Magsi-7 na. And they have to go to school at least 8:30. Magsasaing na muna ako para pagising nila kakain na sila. Ayun, nakapagluto na ako ng kanin. And nagluto ako kagabi ng nilagang baboy. Kasi favorite nila ang may sabaw, lalo na ngayon, lalo na taglamig dito sa Germany. So, nandito tayo sa CR nila. I-prepare natin yung ang mga damit nila. What? Good morning. Is your pampers full?
No.
Oh, we go take a bath?
No.
We're going to school. You're going to school, mahal. Ayun, nagising na siya. Hinaharangan ko palagi itong football net niya. Hinaharangan ko palagi kasi yung nila, yung pinto nila is diretso dito sa may stairs. Palagi hindi ako makatulog sa gabi pag wala yan. Yung football net na yan. So, let's go, mahal.
Don't send me to school.
Yes, in 1 hour.
It's at 1 hour 8:30. Yeah.
Right.
But this
Yeah, your hair is always messy. You know it.
because you're always young.
Yeah.
But why is it so cold?
After ko nga na-prepare si Lucas, si AJ naman yung sinunod kong i-prepare. Actually, mga auntie, nag-shower talaga sila bago sila matulog. And then, pinapaliguan ko na lang sila after going to school. Kapag nasa bahay na sila pagdating ng school, doon ko naman sila pinapaliguan para kapag umaga, kakain at toothbrush na lang yung gagawin ko sa kanila. Perfect routine ko kasi yun kasi nga yung pagdadry ng hair nila, it
You wait
takes
for
time
mommy,
talaga.
Because mommy is going for hanging the clothes.
Sit out.
Sit there.
Sit out.
Dito na nga ay hinatid ko na rin sila sa kanilang mga sariling eskwelahan. Malapit lang dito sa bahay namin yung eskwelahan nila. Mga 5 minutes to drive lang.
Oh no, there's Daddy. Where? I think Daddy's just sleeping in the sofa.
So, we're going to your school first, AJ.
Okay.
And then, I'm going to send Lucas. Love you.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, we have to send Lucas in kindergarten. Ayan. So, let's go. Drop na natin si Lucas sa kanyang eskwelahan, sa kanyang kindergarten.